Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today's video is all about clean skin. When I say that, I get excited inside. You guys know I love skincare. It's my jam. It's my thing. I love it. Now, if you're a beginner or you're new to skincare, or maybe you're just not sure how to properly clean your skin, this is the video for you. I've also teamed up with Belif to share with you guys my best tips and tricks on how to get that beautifully clean skin. It's gonna be great for your skincare products, for your makeup to go on. So if you wanna see how it's done, just keep watching. Chiutips. If you're new to my channel, my name is Jen. I post new videos here weekly. Please come and join the family. All you gotta do is hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. All right, let's get started and show you guys how I properly clean my face. There are a lot of steps, there are a lot of tips, but it's gonna be worth it. Let's go. Time for clean skin. First things first, I gotta put on my headband. This is especially necessary since I recently cut my hair. Now, who gets excited about taking off their makeup? I do. That's why I've been loving the belif Aqua Balm Makeup Removing Cleansing Balm. It really gets rid of everything and is good for all skin types. I just take a scoop of the balm with a spatula and apply it to dry skin, allowing the formula to melt into an oil. I massage this until all makeup is removed. Look at how fast it just melts away makeup. Its gentle texture gradually changes as I use it. It also doesn't leave any oily residue because we all know some balms do that, or make it dry. It leaves my skin glowing and healthy. Here's the bonus. It's also clean at Sephora, free of mineral oil, animal ingredients, synthetic fragrances, and sulfates. When I'm done, I just rinse off with some warm water and pat dry. Skin is feeling totally clean and no trace of makeup at all. Next, let's get into steaming. You guys know I'm a big fan of this. It's also great to help clean your skin. It opens the pores, it helps detox and purifies the skin, and also makes for your next skincare products to absorb so much better. You guys have been asking me for so many DIYs, so here's one for you. This is my go-to oatmeal and honey exfoliation mask. This is super easy to make. Just put in 1/3 cup of rolled oats into a blender and then add 2 tablespoons of honey. Make sure you mix it really well, and if you need to, just add a tiny little bit of water to get the consistency right, and then use. This might seem like a very simple exfoliation scrub, but let me tell you, the oats contain anti-inflammatory properties and a cleansing agent, which is perfect for all skin types, including sensitive skin. And the honey has antibacterial and antioxidant properties. This is great to achieve that glow while fighting acne and nourishing aging skin. When I'm done this, I'll rinse off with warm water, give my lips a little bit of a scrub, and then pat dry. Next up is my DIY yogurt mask. This is super easy to make, just 2 simple ingredients. 1 heaping tablespoon of Greek yogurt and about a tablespoon of matcha green tea powder. These 2 powerhouse ingredients are amazing for your skin. The yogurt is used to help moisturize, fight acne, and reduce wrinkles, fine lines, and dark circles. And the matcha green tea powder has anti-inflammatory properties which reduce redness and can help with acne as well. It also prevents premature aging, fights excess oil production, and also evens out your skin tone. Then, taking my mini face mask brush, I'm just going to apply this all over the face. A great way to get this mask to work even better is to keep your face steamer on while applying it. There's just something so soothing and lovely about putting on a face mask. I just feel like it's a little spa day for myself. And if you need a little bit of a stress relief, this is something super easy you can do. You probably have these ingredients in your pantry. And if you do, make a little mask for yourself and give your skin a lovely little treat. I'm going to keep this mask on for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then I'm going to remove with a very wet, damp towel. This is going to make it just much easier and less messy because the yogurt can get everywhere and it's quite thick. I'm going to gently remove this with a cold towel and make sure everything is off of the face. This is such a nice cooling mask that really helps with the texture, with the glow, and it really makes your skin feel super, super clean. If you really want to step it up a notch, use some witch hazel toner to apply after your mask. This is going to cleanse the skin even deeper by removing any leftover surface oils and bacteria, but it also is a calming ingredient as well, which is great for the skin. Moving right along, I'll be using the belif Moisturizing Eye Bomb. This is a lightweight, refreshing eye cream that smooths fine lines, it boosts elasticity, and it also increases the resilience of the skin. This is really important for me because I do have some under eye circles and small fine lines here. This is great to help with that. And to top it off, I'll be using the belif True Cream Aqua Balm. This is a cushiony cream that provides dull, flaky skin like I do with an explosion of comforting moisture. It leaves the skin feeling supple, smooth, and deeply nourished. And don't forget the neck. This is a very important step. If you have any dullness, uneven texture, or dryness in the skin, this is a great moisturizer to use. skin is feeling smooth, feeling clean, and oh so glowing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye for now!